Hello everyone, welcome back to the continuation of the topic ray diagrams formed by concave mirror. So in the last video we saw three ray diagrams. First of all, the object was an infinity, image forms at focus. Second one, object beyond C, image forms between C and F. Third one, object at C, image also forms at C. Now we'll see the fourth one, object between C and F, center of curvature and focus. I always recommend you to use scale, otherwise your lines will not be perfect, will not be straight, and image will form somewhere else instead of forming in its proper location. So our object is between C and F. Object is here. This is our object at this point. So first ray, as usual, as I told earlier also, two rays will be there coming from the tip of the object, one going parallel to the principal axis passing through focus, and second ray should go through center of curvature. And if the second ray cannot go through center of curvature, accordingly we have to use or apply the other rules for forming of the image. So first ray going parallel to the principal axis and will pass through the focus. These arrowheads are important to show how or where the rays are going. Second ray should go to center of curvature. Next is the principal axis. Now in this case, if you see, in the second case, if you remember, the object was here. The ray can go through center of curvature like this and will used to go back like this. Now in this case the object is before center of curvature, it is in the front of center of curvature. Now the ray cannot go back. The ray cannot go back without reflection, it cannot go like this as per rule. So actually to take the ray past through center of curvature, we have to use our scale such that this and this point should be at a straight line such that the ray goes like this. Here the ray goes like this, it hits the mirror, and then the ray reflects back through center of curvature like this. That means we cannot take the ray back directly. We will take the ray going to the principal axis, going to the mirror, reflect from the mirror, and then it will pass through center of curvature. So here the ray is coming, and then the ray is going back. Now you see the points, the lines have intersect here, and here we will get the image, which is inverted. Means, as you all know, real image is always inverted. Position of image. Image is beyond C. Size of image. The image is bigger than the object. Nature of image is real and inverted. And see, so it is real and inverted. Now let us move to the fifth position of object. Now the object earlier in the fourth one, the object was between C and F. Now object will come forward and will come at F. Object and focus. object at focus, we will draw our mirror like this. And we will have our principal axis, center of curvature. This is our focus, and this is our pole. These three markings should be always there on the diagram of the mirror. Now the object is placed here. It is at or on the focus. So here the first ray will go parallel to principal axis, hit the mirror, and after reflection the ray should come like this. It will reflect to the focus. Second ray, as just like the previous one, we will take like this, such that this and this point is at the same line, and the ray will go hit the mirror, and the ray will reflect back like this. So if you see here, both the rays are parallel, they are not meeting anymore. So when two rays are parallel, they never meet. So in this case, we take the image to be formed at infinity. Basically, they will not meet, but we just assume that somewhere, sometime they will meet. So position of image at infinity, size of image. If the image is at infinity, basically we take it as very big, highly magnified. Nature of image, real and inverted. So you can see the image. Now we move to the last position of the object. So our sixth position, object between F and P, means between the focus and the pole. So I'll make the mirror here. And this is the principal axis. In this case, I am extending the principal axis a little bit. So this is our pole, this is our center of curvature, let this be our focus. Now, as per the position of the object is here at this point. Now, in this case, the object is between the focus and the pole. So here, if you see, if we apply the first rule of reflection, that means if we take the line parallel to principal axis, the ray should pass through focus. Now in this case, the ray will intersect or will pass through the object if the ray has to go through focus. So if we consider any solid object, if we want to get the image of any object, the object should be opaque. And if the object is opaque, the ray cannot pass through it. So instead of violating those terms, we will use the fourth rule, which was any light ray falling on the pole reflects in the same angle. So here the light ray will fall onto the pole like this. This angle will be the angle of incidence, and the angle of incidence should be equal to angle of reflection. The ray will reflect like this. And here, in this case, angle I should be equal to angle R. And the second ray we will take from the tip of the object to the C, which will be like this. So if you see here, the first ray falling on the pole reflects like this. My light may not be straight. The second ray is falling on the mirror and reflecting through the center of curvature. Now if you see, these two rays are diverging, they will never meet. So we will, or as I told, we always get an image when two rays meet. So as these two rays are not meeting, they will not form the image, but that is not so. The rays will meet, the imaginary rays will meet. That means if we extend this line straight like this, we extend it here, and we extend this ray, second ray, they are meeting at this point. So the image will be formed here. Now you see here we got the image direct, we got the image straight. So I told you earlier, real image is always inverted. Now this image is not inverted, so this image is virtual, means not real. So here position of image behind the mirror. Size of the image, it is bigger than the object. We can write magnified also. Nature of the image, it is very important. It is virtual and direct. Remember, this is the only position of object in a concave mirror where a concave mirror forms a virtual image. The sixth position, object between focus and the pole, it forms a virtual image behind the mirror, which is virtual and direct, and also the image is bigger in size. That means the image is magnified. You can look this. So, you all practice the ray diagrams very carefully in your copies. If there is any doubt, please ask me. Thank you.